I'm a spokes guy. When people look at a place like this, they see organization, hard work, and efficiency. But what I see is danger. Luckily, McCue has a solution for every corner of your facility with an entire line of products that protect your assets and make your workplace safer. Look out! Just kidding. McCue's got this place covered. And that is why I don't use polymer as toothpaste. With McCue's material handling products, their priority is safety, but they're not just safer, they're way stronger too. They don't just take one hit, they take numerous big hits, like the pedestrian barrier. McCue uses products that absorb and deflect impact rather than just stick the biggest thing possible in harm's way. Am I right, guys? They use the right materials the right way, like HDPE shells, ductile iron cores, rubber dampers, polyolefin rails, and they tie it all together with steel cabling. Unlike the competition that uses steel or plastic. I mean, come on guys, think outside the box. Only McCue uses whatever it takes to get the job done right. McCue's material handling line provides coverage for every inch of your manufacturing and distribution space with other products like FlexCore bollards, crash barriers, rack end protectors, rack guards, FlexCore guardrails, column guards, and more. If you protect your facility using concrete-filled pipes and hunks of steel anchored to the floor, well, that's adorable, but it's also dangerous. Why do things the way they've been done for 1,000 years? Give or take. The point is, you live in the future. You have a phone in your pocket. There's an invisible network where you can find out anything you want to find out. Right now, your company might be automating its facility using robots. Yeah, robots. Why wouldn't you protect your facility using products that absorb impact and keep your employees safe? Reinvented from the inside out to protect like nothing else. Material handling products from McCue.